नमस्कार दोस्तों, योगासन कोई भी कर सकता है, चाहे आप फ्लेक्सिबल हैं, चाहे आप इनफ्लेक्सिबल हैं, आप किसी भी एज ग्रुप के हैं, आप आसन कर सकते हैं। अपने आसनों की शुरुआत कहाँ से करनी है, वो मैं आज आप सबको सिखाऊंगी। ये आसन करने में बहुत आसान है, लेकिन इन आसनों का आपके बॉडी, माइंड और ब्रेथ पर बहुत डीप इफेक्ट पड़ता है। तो चलें मिलकर करें ये योगासन।
Sit in any meditative posture. Close your eyes. We'll chant Om together. We'll chant A from our abdomen, U from our heart, and Ma from our throat. Now inhale. Feel the vibrations of Om. Sit in Dandasana. Sit with legs outstretched. Place the palms on the floor to the sides. Back, head, neck should be straight. Lean back slightly. Toes movement. Move your toes backward and forward. Hold each position for a few seconds. Inhale, backward movement. Exhale, forward movement. Ankle bending. Move both feet backward and forward. Bend from ankle joint. Inhale, move feet backward. Exhale, move feet forward. Feel the stretch in foot, ankle, and calf. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Ankle rotation, stage 1. Rotate the right foot clockwise from the ankle 10 times and then anti-clockwise. Inhale upward movement, exhale downward movement. Inhale up and exhale down. Again feel the stretch on your calf muscles, on your shin. With left leg, inhale up and exhale down. Do each movement 10 times clockwise and 10 times anti-clockwise. Stage 2. Rotate both feet in same direction. Inhale up and exhale down. Concentrate on your breath and on your movement. 10 times clockwise, 10 times anti-clockwise. Stage 3. Rotate both feet in opposite direction. Inhale up and exhale down. Concentrate on ankle rotation and on your breath. Now ankle movement. Bend the right knee and gently place the right foot on your left thigh. With the help of left hand, slowly rotate the right foot clockwise 10 times and then anti-clockwise. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Now with left leg. These asanas can be done by anyone, beginner, advanced, young or elderly. Excellent for arthritis, rheumatism, high BP and heart problem or other ailments when rigorous physical exercise is not advised. Now we'll do knee bending. Keep the hands under the thigh. Exhale, bend right knee so that the thigh comes close to the chest. Inhale, straighten your leg. Keep head and spine straight. Do 10 rounds. Inhale. Exhale, hug your thighs. Inhale and exhale. Now do with left leg. Exhale, inhale. These asanas opens all the major joints and relaxes the muscles of the body. Stage 2. Bend both knees together, bringing the thighs near the chest. Inhale, exhale. Stage 2 is a strenuous practice, should not be done by people with weak abdominal muscles, back conditions, high BP or heart conditions. Do 5 rounds only. Now we'll do half butterfly, stage 1. Bend right leg, place the right foot comfortably on the left thigh. While breathing in, gently move the right knee up towards the chest. Exhale, down. Inhale up, exhale, down. Inhale up, exhale, gently push the knee down. Inhale. Trunk shouldn't move. Exhale. Now straighten your leg. Hug your thighs. This movement ensures that your knee is realigned correctly. Now with left leg. Exhale. Inhale. Do not force this movement anyway. The leg muscles should be passive movement done by only your left hand. Inhale and exhale. Stage 2. Relax right leg muscles as much as possible. Push the right knee down with the right hand. Try to touch the knee to the floor. Do not force, do not strain. Let the knee spring up by itself. Now gently straighten the leg after completing the practice. Bend it once. Stretch the leg. This procedure ensures that the knee joint is realigned correctly. Now hip rotation, right foot on the left thigh. Hold your knee with the right hand and right ankle with the left hand. Rotate right knee in circular movement as large as possible. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. 10 times clockwise and 10 times anti-clockwise. With your left leg. Make a circular movement as large as possible. Inhale up and exhale down. Exhale, inhale and exhale. Now we will do full butterfly. Bend the knees and bring the soles of the feet together. Stage 1. Clasp the feet with both hands. Gently move the knees up and down. Do not use any force. Do 30 movement. If you are not able to do this movement, you can move your feet little and do up and down movement. Stage 2. Keep the soles of the feet together. Place the hands on the knees. Using the hands, gently push the knees down towards the floor, allowing them to spring up again. Do not force this movement. 10 to 30 movement. People with sciatica and sacral condition should avoid this practice. Now fingers movement. Raise your hands. Move your fingers. Inhale open, exhale close. Do 10 times. Wrist bending. Move your hands up and down from the wrist. Inhale up, exhale down. Now wrist rotation. Make a fist with thumb inside. Rotate your hand from your wrist. Inhale up, exhale down. Rotate your fist. Now with your left hand, inhale up and exhale down, clockwise and anti-clockwise direction, 10 times. Now rotate both fists in same direction. Ten times clockwise, 10 times anti-clockwise. Elbow bending. Raise the arms at shoulder levels, palm facing up. Bend the arms at the elbows and touch the fingers to the shoulders. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Keep the upper arm parallel to the floor. Elbow rotation. Stretch the arm in front at shoulder level. Bend at the elbow. Support right arm with the left hand. Now rotate the elbow joint so that the lower arm and hand move clockwise. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale, exhale, inhale and exhale. Left hand. The shoulder asanas relieves the strain of driving and office work and also help relieve the pressure in cervical spondylitis and frozen shoulders. shoulder rotation. Inhale up and exhale down. Rotate your shoulders in a small circle. Do not make a big circles, small circles. Inhale up and exhale down 10 times and 10 times anti-clockwise. They maintain the shape of the shoulder and chest. Stage 2. Try to touch the elbow in front of the chest or the forward movement and touch the ear while moving up. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Anti-clockwise movement. Now we'll do neck movement. Move head forward. Try to touch the chin to the chest. Move head up. Open your mouth wide. Close. Exhale down. Inhale up. Open your mouth wide. Close. Exhale down. Inhale up. Touch your tongue to your palate. Exhale, close your mouth. Inhale one more time. Open your mouth. Touch your tongue to your palate. Close your mouth. Exhale down. Now exhale, turn your face to right. Inhale center. Exhale left. Inhale center. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Exhale. Inhale center. Exhale. Exhale. Now touch your right ear to right shoulder and left ear to left shoulder. Exhale. Inhale center. These neck movements not be performed by elderly people and the people suffering from low BP, high BP, vertigo or extreme cervical spondylitis. Cervical patients should strictly avoid forward bending of the neck. These asanas release tensions, heaviness and stiffness in head, neck and shoulder region.
तो दोस्तों, आज हमने सीखा कि कैसे सूक्ष्म योग आसन किए जाते हैं। इन सूक्ष्म योग आसनों को आप लगातार करिए। इनसे कुछ समय बाद आपको फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी और स्ट्रेंथ का अनुभव होगा। जब आपको लगेगा कि आप इन आसनों को बहुत अच्छे से कर पा रहे हैं, तो इसके बाद मैं लेकर आ रही हूँ बिगनर्स लेवल 1। इसके बाद आप उन आसनों को करिए। तो दोस्तों, मुस्कुराते रहिए, खुश रहिए। धन्यवाद।